Good morning, children. This is Venugopal for Little Hearts Publications with English Book 2. There is a poem in page number 24 of your textbook under the title The Elephant. Have you seen an elephant, children? Where did you see the elephant? All, of course, particularly children like elephant very much because it doesn't harm anybody. It's a very big animal and you can take a ride on its back also, sitting on its back. So, one small poem under the title The Elephant is given here. I am going to read that poem out, children. Carefully listen to me, then we will start discussing the poem. Okay? The elephant is big, the elephant is grey. The elephant walks for miles each day. His trunk is long, and oh, what fun when it comes out for a cake or a bun. The elephant is big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant is big, he is kindly too. He carries the children round the zoo. Do you like the poem, children? The elephant is big. Is it correct or not? Elephant is a very big animal. When you stand in front of an animal, you have to look at the animal like this by raising your head. It's so big. And usually, these elephants are wild animals and they are generally found in forests or sometimes in the zoos and sometimes in the big temples also. You can find elephants, where elephants are generally asked to carry some children on their backs to take them around the temple, around a zoo. So, the elephant is big, the elephant is grey. What is the color of elephant? Grey. Grey is the name of a color. You can see that elephant there. Elephant is grey in color. The elephant walks for miles each day. How much distance does an elephant walk per day? For miles. It walks for miles each day. Look at the last word of the second line and the last word of the fourth line. Grey and a day. So, the words which give the same sound, which are generally found at the end of each sentence, sometimes alternate sentences, sentence by sentence, they are called rhyming words. I have written the rhyming words here. Say, grey, day. Do they rhyme with each other or not? Do they produce the same sound or not? Grey, day. His trunk is long. What is the meaning of a trunk? The long nose of an elephant. Trunk means the long nose of an elephant. The trunk is big. You can see there in the picture, a big long nose. And oh, what fun! Fun means joy. What a joy it will be to look at when it comes out. When that long trunk comes out for a cake or a bun, to pick up a cake or to pick up a bun, the elephant uses its trunk to pick the things up and then keep them in their mouths like this. You might have seen how the elephant, you can see that there in the picture, the elephant is eating a cake. So, when the elephant's trunk comes out for a cake or a bun, it's a very funny thing to look at. Very joyful thing to look at. The elephant is big. And his ears are wide. Look at our ears, they are very small. But elephants' ears are very big. This much big ears are there for elephants. Ears are wide. His back is broad. Backside means this is the back. This here back of the elephant is nothing but the top portion of the elephant's body. He is very broad. Broad means what? Wide, vast, very big, very wide, for all to ride. Many people can ride on its back. Its back is so wide, so vast. It's so big, and all people, many people can ride on its back. The elephant is big. He is kindly too. He carries the children around the zoo. The elephant is big. He is kindly too. Kindly means what? Gentle. He carries the children round the zoo. Where does it carry the children? It carries the children round the zoo. By sitting on the back of the elephant, the children take a ride round the zoo. Now look at these rhyming words. Fun, bun in the second stanza. Wide, ride in the third stanza. To, zoo in the fourth stanza. So, stanza means there are 4 lines. There is a gap between every 4 lines. So, every 4 lines in this particular poem is known as a stanza, together known as a stanza. First stanza, grey day. Second stanza, fun, bun. Third stanza, wide, ride. Fourth stanza, to, zoo. Okay, children, do you like the poem? So, we are talking about how big the elephant is in this poem. What is the color of the poem, elephant? How much does it walk per day? How is its trunk? And what does it do with a trunk? And how are its ears and its back? And what kind of an animal is the elephant? It's kindly, because it carries the children round the zoo. You can see that there are children sitting on the back of the elephant taking a ride around the zoo in page number 24. Okay, children, again I am going to read out the poem. Just go through that, learn the way of reading. The elephant is big, the elephant is grey, the elephant walks for miles each day. His trunk is long, and oh, what fun when it comes out for a cake or a bun. The elephant is big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant is big, he is kindly too. He carries the children round the zoo. Let us discuss in the next page. There is a task for summative assessment. There are some questions given there, followed by pairs of words called rhyming words. First, let us look at the questions and write answers for the given questions there. The first question is, what color is the elephant? You have to answer in 1 or 2 words only. So, what is the color of the elephant? Grey. 1 or 2 words only you have to write. Does the elephant walk much? Yes. 1 word. Yes, it walks much. How is the elephant's trunk? One word answer. What is the answer? Yes, very good. Long. It is long. What does the trunk come out for? The trunk comes out for a cake or a bun. Question number 4. What does the trunk come out for? A bun or a cake? Fifth answer, how are the elephant's ears? Wide. Only one word answer. Wide. How is the elephant's back? One word answer. Broad. The last answer. Where does the elephant take the children? Round the zoo. The last answer is round the zoo. Okay, children, you can write those answers clearly. Of course, the answers will be sent to you through WhatsApp. The key will be sent. In the second part, second bit, there pairs of words are given there. Already we wrote the pairs of words there. Grey, day, wide, ride, fun, bun, to, zoo. These are called rhyming words. So there are, first thing you have to learn the poem by heart, children, and recite it in the classroom in a rhythmic manner. The way we reciting it, the poem there, like that you have to learn to recite the poem in the classroom. And also, you have to know the meanings of the new words that you have got in this lesson. Grey, fun, broad, kindly, trunk, wide, ride, carry. With this, we come to the end of this poem, children. We will be taking up the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.